believe this is a glueless wig, you all. My first time ever. Completely glueless, like no spray, no adhesive, no gel, nothing, okay, nothing. I can literally lift this hair and put it back down. That's how perfect and beginner friendly this hair is. Hi you all, I am Shapellx. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have an install, okay? Talk about an install, okay? This glueless, undetectable HD lace wig is from the company LuvMe Hair. This is a 22-inch. I love this natural length, you all. It is 180% density, and the texture is a straight texture, you all. So yes. Let me show you. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and put this right under the lace so you can see. Look at that. Look at this, you all. Do you see? Now let's take the comb and put it right down the middle. Do you see this? The comb is there. That's how natural and realistic this hair is for you all today. Okay? I would love to thank LuvMe Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video, you all. If you all are interested to see how I laid this wig with only mousse, you all, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Calling your phone, why you not hitting me back? Please just pick up, don't wanna go tit for tat. Arguing on versus this, then this, that. Killing my vibe, now I'm writing this rap. This is not another love song, girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick, curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Ran up the check, no safety on what you get. You know I'm Saint Nick, all year was getting you gifts. Can't lie, I know I've been gone, just trying to make a we spend. I know you wanted me home, don't understand why you split. This is not another love song, girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stand, curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Testing me, why you always testing me? Arguing back and forth, can't make a call, might need a referee. Daughter, you not here, I'm in my thoughts, it's so unsettling. Trying to make some sacrifices, mind and heart been wrestling. Got your friends around you, talking crazy, hit them heckling. Got you in your feelings, now you hit me, and you're pressing me. Had me in the doghouse, tied down, I was tethering. But you're still right here, so are you riding, are you dead in me? Let it be. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I'll play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. And get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much often. And that's how we like it. Never time for arguing and fighting. And if we do, you know it's quick to make up. Pay for all your manicures and makeup. Make sure that your paper's straight, no pay cuts. Take care of my baby like a daycare. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I'll play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Throw it like a cyclone. Said she wanna play around with the lights on. Said she wanna play around with my ice on. Lord, when she get to buying like a python. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I'll play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave.
So yes, y'all, that completes today's final look and hair install. Please let me know what you all think. I absolutely love LuvMe Hair. Some of the best quality hair in the world. Top notch, you all. Great deal, okay? Look how nice and beautiful this hair is. The luster. I love a straight units, you all. This HD front tool looks just like my scalp, okay? It looks just like my skin. It blended right in seamlessly. I can't believe this is a glueless wig, you all. My first time ever. Completely glueless, like no spray, no adhesive, no gel, nothing, okay? Nothing. I can literally lift this hair and put it back down. That's how perfect and beginner friendly this hair is. All I did was plop the wig on my head, cut the lace off, add some mousse to style the baby hairs, and voila, we have a style, okay? I added a little bit of my concealer down the parts and in front of the lace, and everything blends so beautifully. One thing that I love about LuvMe Hair is that everything comes from one donor, so your hair will be nice and uniformed. But I especially love LuvMe Hair's Undetectable lace wigs for this reason, because you all, it is so seamless and natural looking. So this is where the 22 inches hitting me. This hair did come pre-plucked for us. It did come with the knot slightly bleached, so I love that from LuvMe Hair. So they did a lot of the work for you, so all you have to do is boom, put the wig on your head and you have a style. So yes, y'all, that completes today's hair install by the company LuvMe Hair. Please let me know what you think of their HD Undetectable lace wig down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to link all the products that I used today in the install as well as the direct link to this unit down below in the description box. And as always, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.